Hello everyone, this is Jane Jarvis. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to set as premiere any video at all using cell phone. First, go to your Google Chrome, then type youtube.com. In three dots up here, be sure to check desktop site. Go to your channel icon, click YouTube Studio. And in YouTube Studio, it's like you're going to upload your video. That one. And then you select files. And then you select file, whatever video you have. For example, I have videos, and I go to my gallery. I select this, put a title, and then select down here, no, it's not for kids. And you click next. And then again click next. Then again click next. Here is where you have to do it. Put it in unlisted. And then at the very bottom, click schedule. Here you write the date and the time. And then check set as premiere. And then click schedule down here. And it will start uploading. Okay. And that's that. Until you see this, and it will upload. Now let me show you how to set as premiere any video using a laptop. Let's begin. First, enter into your YouTube account, and then on your channel icon, click YouTube Studio. And then click on this as you are uploading a video. Now click select files. I have my video in this computer. Select your video. Wait until it's being uploaded. Put the title. And then scroll down. Click no, it's not for kids. And then click next. And then here, just click next. Because our topic is how to set a video into a premiere. And then click again next. And then here, select unlisted. After you have select unlisted, scroll down. Click schedule. It tells you that you have to check it if it is not for children. Then scroll up and click Set as Premiere. Once it is checked and you have selected the date and the time, click Schedule. Wait until it's going to be uploaded. And that's that. Now it's being uploaded, and wait until it finishes. I hope you enjoyed watching my video. Thank you very much. Until the next upload.